to make the worst slimes in Peachybbies history. Well, not exactly. I have here in front of me a list of all of the slimes Andrea has ever created. And here at the very bottom, we have the fails, the ones that never reach the restock. Today, I'm gonna be trying to take these failed slimes and turn them into a sellable restock. And just like any Peachybbies restock, which you can shop right now at peachybbies.com, I'm gonna have a variation of a lot of different slimes in here. So let's start off with BBQ Slime. Andrea leaves a little sticky note with every slime idea that she comes up with. So for this one, it says barbecue. It is a jelly slime, cute charms, and a syrup cup. Let's start off by going and finding some jelly slime in the warehouse somewhere. Jelly slime. Ooh, jelly slime. Here it is. Oh yeah, that's some good jelly slime. Get a good, healthy amount. That already looks like barbecue sauce. Now that we have this jelly slime, it's time to dye it. And thankfully, here at Peachybbies, we literally only have one kind of brown dye. Buckeye Brown is our trusted brown dye for everything brown we have ever made. I have a feeling that this might not resemble barbecue sauce at all. I feel like barbecue sauce has a little bit of a purple or red undertone. I don't really know. It's been a while since I've looked deeply at a barbecue sauce container, but I guess we're gonna find out. I almost feel like this has a bit of a red undertone as is, which is very convenient. Next, it's time to go over to Scent City to find a barbecue scent, which I can guarantee you we do not have, but I'll find something similar. And then we're gonna head on over to Charmville and find those cute barbecue charms that Andrew was talking about. Coconut milk and lavender, cotton candy, these are all sweet. I want savory. Okay, if we can't find barbecue, what's the closest thing? Honeysuckle? The vibe, not the smell, but the vibe. Now that we've decided this is like a barbecue event instead of the actual food, I think we should have a sun. Onion slices go with barbecue, 100%. I'm gonna add some of these leaves and a little participant to enjoy the barbecue and be a part of it in a very wholesome way. I've run into a problem. I added all these beautiful charms and sprinkles on top, and I forgot to add the scent into the slime. So I'm going to be performing precision surgery on this beautiful slime. I'm gonna take off the top layer, scent the rest of it, and add this back exactly how it is later. You're not even gonna be able to tell that I took off the top of it. Look at that. That's what a slime professional would do. I actually haven't smelled this yet. I don't actually know what honeysuckle smells like, but if I had to guess, it might be that. I'm going to very carefully mix this together without getting it all over my hands. We need to use that scent more. It smells really good. Now that we have our completely scented slime, it is time to add the top back onto it. You can't tell me you would know that that was removed and added back. That looks perfect. Let's go over our list here to make sure we got everything. Barbecue, check. Jelly slime, check. Cute charms, I'd say so. Syrup cup. A syrup cup of what? We already have the barbecue. Jelly. A syrup cup of jelly, because what goes better with barbecue sauce than grape jelly?
Excuse me, what?
So let's go get some clear slime and I'll turn it into our grape jelly. Here we have all of our ingredients to make our grape jelly slime. This should be super simple. Just gonna mix this up with a bit of watercolor. This is perfect because this is like the same color as those onions. So this is really tying it together. When we have the entire list of fail slimes made and I start mixing them together, then I will add this on top. But for now, that is a perfect sellable barbecue slime. Next on the list, we have Boba Pond. And the only requirements on this note is that it needs to be a half and half slime. So I basically have complete creative freedom, very exciting. For the half and half, let's do clear slime on the bottom and a cloud slime on top. I went ahead and grabbed some dyes. I like the idea of this being like the pond is underneath and it's blue and very pretty, and then on top of that is like a pink lily pad or something, and I'll have some cute little creatures living on top. I have an idea, but first we need to see how the colors turn out. I'm using red dye instead of pink dye because typically when I'm dyeing a slime pink, I will usually use the red dye so that it's this light pink pretty color instead of that like vibrant neon pink color, because this is a bit more tame. These colors turned out perfectly. These complement each other so well. Maybe this will be a really good slime and Andrea will love it and put it in the shop. So for the half and half, I have my beautiful blue in here. But since this is a boba slime, I feel like I should go ahead and go grab the boba pearls. This is already looking like boba. Super cute. I'm loving it. No offense to the barbecue slime, but this one is my personal favorite so far. Make it very cutesy on top. All right, now that we have the base constructed, I think it's time for the most important part, which is all of the critters that are gonna live on top of this pond. Also wanna pick out a super cute sprinkle mix to decorate the top of it. I would like to announce the citizens of Boba Pond. A blue axolotl, duck, and a frog with a weird looking eye, but that makes him special and we love him for it. First of all, add my sprinkle mix to the top here. And now for the main event, our super exclusive blue axolotl. He looks so good on there, he fits so well. I'm so proud of him. Very special frog. And this duck, they don't really like him, but he's also there. Our Boba Pond turned out so much cuter than I could have ever imagined, and we checked off all the to-do lists, which is just one thing. I would consider that an absolute win. Let's go see what our third slime is gonna be. Next on the list, we have gasoline. See why this is on the failed list. This is a plain yellow clear slime with no charms and a very strong scent. Who wants a slime with no charms? Let's go grab some clear slime once again. All right, so I've got my slime and my ingredients. Let's get started with mixing. I am not super familiar with the color of gas, but if I had to guess, I would guess it is very yellow with a hint of tangerine and the slightest bit of gold. Now that the slime is efficiently mixed, it's time to go find that super strong scent that Andrea was talking about. No, I'm looking for something super duper strong. The strongest, most gasoline, no. What the heck is this? Why is there a unmarked scent bottle on the ground? Oh my God. I don't know where this came from, and I honestly don't want to know where. Oh my goodness. This is perfect, actually. Although it's upsetting me with how disgusting it smells, it's a good thing. Slime. I'm gonna try to stay back so I definitely don't smell like gasoline for the rest of the day. Woo! Oh my goodness. I don't know why the one time that I hate the smell more than anything, I added way too much of it. It's literally deactivating the slime. Oh, it smells so strong. I'm gonna start crying. And not because I'm emotional, because it's making my eyes water. And since this is a clear slime, we need to let it sit so that all the bubbles can come out. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Wow, magic. Look at how clear it is. We did it, we finished another slime. So now it's time for our fourth slime, but I can't find it. Oh, do not make Dino Nuggies clay kit. Well, I guess let's make Dino Nuggie clay kit. Thankfully, we already have some Dino Nuggies here, so I don't have to go make them, which is very convenient for me. Now I need to decide what we're gonna use for the base. Oh, ketchup. Everybody loves ketchup. I picked thick and glossy just because I love the way that clay mixes with thick and glossy when it's all incorporated. But while I'm making this ketchup, I think I should tell you guys why this slime is so off limits. So when Andrea was a kid, she went to some sort of dinosaur theme park, and one of the guys who were dressed up as dinosaurs was chasing her around for hours. The theme park workers are just supposed to chase the kids around for like 10 minutes. It was hours. So now anytime Andrea sees anything dinosaur shaped, she gets really on edge, and nobody wants that, but I feel like I can change her mind with this slime because it's gonna be such a good slime that it's gonna heal that part of her, and she's gonna start liking dinosaurs again. This is not what I had envisioned. This is gonna make her hate dinosaurs even more. Why does this always happen to me? This has never happened to anyone else at Peachybbies, but this has happened to me like 6 times. And there we have it, our perfect ketchup slime. Let's assemble it. I'm gonna try to make it seem like these little dinosaurs are living on a lake full of ketchup, which I think is super cute. Let's add some of the cooked ones in here. This is coming out so adorable. I love it. Oh my God, Andrea's here. She's coming in right now. Oh my God, I gotta go hide this. I cannot believe she's here. I can't let her see this. She will freak out. This episode was brought to you by Peachybbies.com slime. This slime right here is called Dust Bunnies. It's one of my personal favorites. It is a clay kit, which means you get to mix together these tiny little bunnies all on your own. If you would like to get yourself some of these adorable little bunnies, they are available right now on Peachybbies.com. I love this clay kit because you get to assemble the whole thing by yourself. You get to add your own little sprinkles, your own little charm, and these adorable little bunnies. Look at them. This is the best part about a clay kit is mixing the whole thing together yourself. It's like you're assembling and creating the clay all by yourself. So if you'd like one of these, go check out Peachybbies.com. We restock every single Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't miss it. Set your alarms, and I hope to see you there. It turns out the only reason that Andrea was here was actually just to get her wallet that she forgot. So our slime is back on the table, and it's time to mix them all together. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video gets 3,000 likes, I will show you guys what are the rest of the fail slimes on Andrea's super secret list. Comment down below if you have any failed slime ideas that I could use. I would love to hear them. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.